Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Fitbit account step by step clearly. To activate your Fitbit account, start by downloading the Fitbit app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app on your mobile device. On the welcome screen, select the option to create an account. Enter your personal details, including your email address and a password. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Next, tap the Join Fitbit button to proceed. You will receive a verification email at the address you provided. Go to your email and find the verification email from Fitbit. Click the verification link included in that email. Return to the Fitbit app after verifying your email address. Follow the prompts to set up your profile by entering additional details if needed. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your Fitbit device to the app. Ensure your device is charged and nearby. Follow the instructions to put your Fitbit into pairing mode. Select your Fitbit model from the list displayed in the app. Once the app detects your device, tap on it to establish a connection. After successful pairing, your Fitbit device will sync with the app. Congratulations, your Fitbit account is now active and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.